Hello mga striker, have a nice day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this Samsung soundbox speaker, and the problem is all connections inside eaten by wrap, and also the carbon. So the owner sent this to my shop for repair. So I will open this, but before anything else I would like to say please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So here we go mga ka-striker. This is the brand and the size of this Samsung soundbox speaker. Maybe it's a kind of a component speaker, so it's so very hard to open this one, but I will try all my best to open it. So this is it now, as you can see. So I will remove already of the front back cover of the speaker, and as you can see the carbon was damaged, and see we have plenty of garbage speaker inside. So look at this speaker, there is no more wire connection inside, all eaten by rot. So this is a rot damage. I don't know why this speaker is favorite by rot to live inside the box. Maybe it's a good place for them, but it's not good for the owner, because everything will be damaged. So I try to fix this one by removing this carbon and change new one. So follow it. What can I supposed to do this one? So since I have no spare to change this damage, I will make like this. As you can see, I will cover all the broken parts and put by using this old carbon and rugby. This adhesive liquid to put this carbon on this damaged part. So after this putting rugby as adhesive liquid on this carbon, I will let it dry a few minutes, and then after all I will put back a new carbon on the speaker. So as you can see, I will clean the end wire of the coil, so that when I solder this the connection is easy to solder the connection wire going to that speaker terminal. So mga ka-striker, I will promote once again my channel. If you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to all of you for your support. I know mga ka-striker, this is not a big trouble or issue when it comes to electronics, especially to all those masters and experts in electronics. But for me, as a newbie, it's very hard for me to open this kind of soundbox. So that's why all my idea, I will use it already. So once again mga ka-striker, I would like to say thank you sa mga subscriber ko, especially to Pocoy Motronics, Angel Kadete Vlog, Rains Vlog, Toto Jet TV, and ayun sa inyong lahat na subscribe sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, guys. God bless you all. And last but not the least is the bus electro. Thank you bro sa pag-subscribe mo. So I will fix this another one. I will open up. So this is it now. I will remove already the speaker. So the problem on this is only the connection wires are cutting by cut. Only the wires are damaged. So I will connect this, and after I will put back into the box, because only the wire damaged. All carbon are good and intact. So look at this mga ka-striker. After I soldered this wire, I will put some glue or some other adhesive to the connection line between the coil and the wire so that it become strong. So it's done mga striker, and I will next this another one speaker is the big speaker. I think this 12 inches speaker. I will show you how to open this one also, but I think it's the same procedure from the first that I will make. So only just like this, you can using a knife to get the sides of this speaker to separate the front cover. So this is it. So, as you can see, I will open now. So the speaker must be clean and no sign for damage, but I don't know inside. I can open this. So mga striker, I will remove already all this screw, and I will lift up this speaker. But before I will lift up, I will put it back so that it's easy for me to put back later on. So I will clean it a little bit. So this is the way how to open this Samsung soundbox speaker. I will put it back because there is no sign of damage inside. Only the two box, this small one is will be damaged. This one is the size is 12 inches, and the two other box is 8 inches size of the speaker. So this is it all mga striker. I will put back the screw after cleaning this one, and then put this adhesive wood glue inside at the sides of the speaker. But before anything else mga striker, if you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel Strike Here Mix Vlog. Thank you very much sa inyong suporta. So this is it mga striker. I will put already all the glue, all sides I will put it so that the front cover will be pressed on this and locked by this glue. So this is it all for today, mga striker. Thank you very much, and once again, thank you to all my subscriber. Until my next video.